Online tutorial for how to apply for a credit facility through the TRQ portal. Log into your TRQ portal using the login details provided to you by your First Class Capital relationship partner. On the home screen, select Online Credit Application. Read the information carefully, as it outlines what will be necessary and what information will be necessary to complete this application. Click on the red Download Required Documents button to download a copy of the Acknowledgements and Declarations document, Asset and Liability Statement, and a Credit Application User Guide. Enter your requested credit limit, the legal type of your business, your industry, and whether you've been assisted in your registration or this application by a First Class Capital relationship partner. If so, select that representative from the drop-down list. Then select Next. Fill out the legal business details of the business applying for credit. Ensure the legal name is the legal name of the business applying for credit as shown on the ABN registration or certificate of incorporation. Ensure there are no spaces in your ABN or ACN. Select the establishment date that appears on the registration of your ABN. Ensure your phone number is 10 digits. You may need to include an area code. The contact person details should be those of an owner, director, or authorized signatory that will be responsible for all funding requests. Enter the trading address of your business. If your business's postal address is different from its trading address, please select Postal Address Different and provide this further information in the displayed fields. Complete the credit application questionnaire by selecting from the drop-down menu or checkbox Answers. There are 11 questions in total, and an area to provide additional information if necessary. Once the questionnaire is complete, select Next. Please provide your contact details, identification details, and residential address as the authorizing director or owner. Beneficially owned refers to whether the equity in the business is owned by you or whether you hold the equity in trust for the benefit of another. If your postal address is different, or you have been at your current residential address for less than 3 years, please check the box and enter your previous residential address or your current postal address in the fields provided. Ensure your identification details are correct. Tick the consent box to acknowledge your acceptance of the terms of use and privacy consent, which may be viewed by clicking on the hyperlinked words. Please enter the name, ABN or ACN, and country of any associated businesses or subsidiaries. If there are none, you may leave this section blank and continue to next. Please enter any existing finance facilities, the type of facility, facility limit, and any securities that are held in this facility. If there are no existing financing facilities for your business, you may leave this area blank and continue next. We require certain financial information before we are able to approve a credit facility, which may be uploaded during the credit facility application process. If this documentation is unavailable at the time, you may continue with the application and provide the documents to your representative at a later time by selecting Next. Please provide the business name and business contact details of your business's accountant. If your accounts are completed in-house, enter the name and contact details of your in-house accountant. Enter the account information of your business's bank account. Once your business's bank account details have been entered, select EDDR button. You will be directed to a direct debit request form, which you must complete with the same bank details as those you provided in the bank account information section. The form will be populated with the contact information provided on prior pages of the application. Check the information is correct. If there are any errors, return to the page where you previously entered the information and correct the error. Once the EDDR is complete, you may continue by selecting Next. Check that the information under Item 1, Applicant, is correct, and if there are any errors, select the Back button to correct the information you provided on the relevant page. You may upload the Declarations and Acknowledgements form that you were able to download on the first page. If this is unavailable to upload, you may upload it later from your TRQ portal. Select Next to continue. Click to acknowledge the fees and charges apply. Type Yes into the acceptance field to further confirm your understanding of the acknowledgements and declarations. Select Generate SMS code to retrieve an SMS security code. The SMS security code will be sent to the mobile number provided in the Directors and Owners Details section. For security purposes, the code may only be generated twice. When the form is complete, select Next. It may take a few moments for your application to submit. Once you reach this screen, you have finished the application online process. This concludes the online application process guide. Thank you.